Hi foodies, welcome back to Blog and Good Food. Today we are diving into a delicious world of low-calorie snacks. Whether you are looking for healthy summer snacks, low-calorie recipes, or simply some snack ideas, we have got you covered. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with some low-calorie snacks that will keep your cravings in check. First up, we have got crunchy delights like air pop popcorn and cucumber slices. These low-calorie snacks are perfect for guilt-free snacking. Looking for a high-protein snack? Try Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of berries or some edamame beans. They'll keep you feeling full and energized. Craving something sweet without the guilt? Check out these low-calorie dessert options. Dive into a fruit frenzy with options like watermelon slices or frozen grapes. They are not only refreshing but also low in calories. Satisfy your chocolate cravings with a piece of dark chocolate. It's perfect way to indulge without overindulging. Sometimes you need snacks that are easy to grab and go. Here are some ideas for busy days. Grab a protein bar or a handful of almonds for a quick high-protein pick-me-up. They are perfect for those on-the-go moments. If you are watching your carbs, try cheese sticks or celery sticks with peanut butter. They are delicious and low in carbs. Let's explore some savory options that are both tasty and low in calories. Roasted carrot sticks and zucchini chips make for delightful guilt-free snacks. Pair your veggies with hummus or Greek yogurt-based dips for added flavor and nutritious. And there you have it, a variety of low-calorie snacks to keep your salmon munchies in check. Don't forget to visit Blog and Good Food for a detailed article on this topic, and be sure to subscribe for more food-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next time.